Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2021 Toyota Camry maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here: up, down, left, right, OK for enter, and back. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. If you have the key, then turn it to the second position. If you have the button, then go ahead and press it twice. Now every time you see this message, as you can see, maintenance required soon, go ahead and press back. Okay, now press left or right to go find your page, which is here. When you get here, go ahead and scroll down to vehicle setting. OK on that, enter on it. Okay, go down to schedule maintenance, enter on that. Go up to yes, enter on yes, and we are done, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.